So this is the Behringer C-2. It's 2 matched studio condenser microphones, which I intend to use on my rig and for recording guitar and voice. So we'll see how well that works out when I test it. So in the box we have a plastic encased box. Seems sturdy enough. It's got a nice padded egg box style casing. We have user manual, another user manual or just specs, and global care. So just warranty stuff. I'll look through the manual later. Let's see what's in the box. So let's get to the interesting bit. Let's have a look at the actual microphones. These are quite diddy. So silica gel. So is that going to focus? There you go. Very nice. It's usual microphone stuff. It has the -10 gain. Standard XLR input. There's quite a bit of weight to it for something that's so small. We take off the cap. Yeah, fairly standard. Yeah, nice enough. Probably not going to put it back in its plastic bag, so I'll take this one out of its bag as well. Really, these things aren't going to live in this box. So, same thing. This if I was going to use this as a stereo matched pair, this would be handy, but I'm not. So I will possibly never use this, although with a couple of 1/4-20 mount adapters, this could be a side-by-side GoPro versus other camera rig. That could be handy. Okay, so we have the wind muffs. Looks like a little Welsh guard outside Buckingham Palace. Yeah, that's about all I can say about those. Probably not going to use them. And some actually quite decent quality mic stands, or not stands, mounts. That'll be handy when I mount them on stand, especially if it's on an arm and it has a swivel mount like you'd have a ball mount for a camera, so you can get the right angle that you need. That should be quite cool. So all in all, in the box, all seems decent enough. So just shove those in somewhere so I don't lose them. But the proof is in the pudding, really. So I'm going to leave it there and go and have some pudding. Only kidding. I need to get these set up on the stand and do a few audio tests, but at the moment the stand needs sorting before I can add these. So for now, that's the unboxing. Thank you very much.